Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to install latest One UI 8.5 on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, S25 or any other latest Samsung device. So officially Samsung announced the One UI 8.5 for the Galaxy devices in India. So this is my S25 Ultra. Recently got the One UI 8.5 update. So let's see how you can check on your Samsung device to download and install the One UI 8.5 on your Samsung device. So open the app drawer, tap on the members app on your Samsung device. Make sure Samsung member app login with your Samsung account. Here you can see the list of banners. Just swipe the banners and check One UI 8.5. Here you can see the One UI beta program. Be the first to enjoy the latest Galaxy experience. One UI 8.5 with the Android 16 for Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, S25 Ultra. So you can see this type of banner on your Samsung device. So make check this banner is available on your Samsung device. Also, if you can't see, scroll down at the bottom. You can see be the first try the latest version of One UI. So tap on it at the end, and here you can find the One UI 8.5 S25 beta on your device. Now tap on the One UI 8.5 S25 beta. Tap on it on your device. Here you can see the One UI 8.5 S25 beta update. Explains the new Galaxy UX and Android 16 for the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, S25 Ultra in India. So check on your Samsung device. Tap on the join button at the bottom. Now join. Make sure insert the SIM card on your device to install this latest One UI 8.5 update. So now you can see the join option. Just tap on it on your device. Now go to software update. After join, go to the settings on your device. Scroll down up to the software update. Tap on a software update. Tap on the download and install. Now here you can check for the software update the latest One UI 8.5. Now here you can see the preparing to update One UI 8.5 beta update. Here you can see the update details. One UI 8.5 beta. Your chance to take early look at the latest version of One UI. Download and install One UI 8. Here you can see the all changes, app updates, One UI version 8.5, Android version 16. You, you can see the update size is the 4 GB up to 4 4035.62 MB 4 GB update. So here you can see the list of all changes on your phone. So download and install the latest One UI 8.5 software update to your Samsung device in India. Here you can see the app updates, update information. Now here you can see complete download and install the One UI 8.5 beta. Almost done. Restart your phone to finish the update. One UI 8.5 beta. Here you can see One UI version 8.5, Android version 16. Schedule restart now option. So check on your Samsung device if available update and download and install it on your phone. Now tap on the restart now to restart your Samsung Galaxy device. Getting ready to restart to latest One UI 8.5 update. Let's see how it looks. Now optimizing the apps. Now unlock my phone. Now you can see the welcome to One UI 8.5. This is the beta software. Here you can see One UI 8.5 start option. So install the One UI 8.5 on my Samsung S25 Ultra. So you can check on your Samsung S25 series in India for the One UI 8.5 beta update. Now tap on the start button. Now tap on start. Now here you can see the advanced Galaxy AI details, changes, enhance your communication, all the details. Tap on the next button on your Samsung device. Now checking for the updates. Now you are all chat. See what's new. So tap on the see what's new message at the bottom. So tap on the see what's new. Now here you can see the all changes available. Update or download and install it. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.